To attach the lanyard to your saddle, first of all, put it on the side away from your dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to attach the prusik to my left side. And you note that I've attached the non-working end of the lanyard to a gear loop on the saddle. This is not a life support connector, therefore it's acceptable to stow it out of the way by connecting it here. And then I'm going to take the prusik loop, the carabiner attached to the prusik loop, and attach it to this D-ring, which is a life support D-ring. The orientation is important here. See how I've got the lanyard feeding down through the prusik and towards the ground, and that's the natural orientation. I would not want to put this on here twisted like so. That would twist the lanyard, or twist it in the opposite direction. That would also twist it. So orient it correctly and attach it to the D-ring. And then the way that this will operate is we'll go around the tree or around a branch and attach to your opposite D-ring like that. And as I demonstrated before, you can weight this and it will hold your weight, lengthen it by pulling here, or shorten it by pulling out here like that. And you can stow the unused length by forming a daisy chain in this fashion.